What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Workshop Wednesdays. And on this Workshop Wednesdays, I'm going to teach y'all about the basic flying techniques and what it takes to fly a drone, one of these bad boys. This right here is referred to as a quadcopter, and I'm going to show y'all some of the interesting things that it can do on the basic fun summer day. Let's get started. Alright, just by starting off, I want to start by telling y'all about the controls that it takes to fly the drone. Now, every drone doesn't come with a controller as this. You may have to fly your drone with your phone, or they come with more high-tech screens that have cameras with them, or a digital touch screen. But for this one specifically, it's almost like a game controller. So I'm going to tell you what the controls do, well, the basic controls on how to get it off the ground and how to maintain it in the sky. Alright, to start off, these buttons right here maintain the drone settings such as speed or tilt or any other small things that you would like to change while the drone is in the air. And these joysticks right here will control how the drone moves in the sky. So this left one right here maintains the drone's plane. So the way the drone moves up and down and how it carries itself from the spot that it's in, not moving from right to left or moving to another area, but how it controls itself right then and there. So moving it up makes the drone fly higher into the air, and then bringing it down makes the drone go lower. But it's all in the same motion as if you're flying a real helicopter, since this is a quadcopter. And moving it from left to right turns the drone from direction in different directions. And the joystick on the right makes the drone move forward, backwards, to the right and to the left. So you have to use these joysticks simultaneously to make the drone make fluid motion so it can fly through the sky and not crash into anything. But I can do you better by showing you than telling you. Alright, everybody, first thing you want to do is make sure your drone is synced. Every drone has its own different way of syncing, so you make sure you have to read the instructions. Before you do anything, before you even fly it, you have to make sure you read the instructions so you know exactly how to maneuver in the air. So I'm going to start by, like I said, this joystick is for controlling height, raising and lowering the drone. So, let's see. Okay. And you wanna, that happens. Let's give it another go. Okay, just put a new battery in it. Now it's like you're just telling the drone what to do. If you ever played a game before, it's kind of the same concept. Bringing it back to me. The wind's kind of blowing, so you have to make sure you maintain it. Raise it, lower it. Also turning it. Now that may be your biggest challenge, is turning the drone, especially while the wind is doing its own separate thing. But you just have to know that you're in control of the drone. It's almost as if driving a car, even though I know most of you haven't done that. You just have to know that you're in control of the drone. The drone is not in control of you. And you just have to take into account for any other factors, such as this tall grass, or the wind, or even a bird. So you want to bring it back towards you. And you want to always make sure you keep your finger on the joystick. See, there we go with hovering, raising, lowering, turning. Let me go get that. Alright, let's give it one more go. I know my hand was blocking it, but let's just see. Okay. Raise it up. Turning the drone and maintaining it. Now if you want to fly in a way that the drone moves like a plane, you have to know how to move the joystick or the controllers in a way so this doesn't glide off into anywhere. You can't, the main thing about flying this drone or any other drone is to not panic and to not just have your fingers moving in any which way direction. Like right here, you don't want to push it too hard. You don't want to do any crazy movements. You just want to maintain and be in control of it. Man. Oh. I'm trying to land it for y'all. Let's see one land. Well, back into the sky we go. But as you can see, flying a drone is as simple as it can be. It's only as simple as you make it. And with practice, you can fly all around your neighborhood if you want to, with the proper paperwork, of course. Shoot. All right, everybody, that's all I have for you on this episode of Workshop Wednesdays. So I hope this episode piqued your interest on drones. I know it did with mine. Just having this one around the house is very interesting, and it's just for something fun to do, especially on a hot day like this or any time during the year. And not all drones are expensive, but you just have to find the right one for you. This one actually has a camera with it, so you can connect your phone with it and see what everything that's going on from first person view instead of just sitting down on the ground where I was. So that's even better. Each drone has its own different capabilities. But I hope y'all found something interesting in this, and we'll see y'all next time. Y'all have a great weekend.